In the blink of an eye, I was falling from the sky.
Hi everyone, it's me, Princess Jules.
Oh my god, that's embarrassing.
Hola amigos. It's me, Princess Jules.
Hey guys, it's me, Princess Jules. So today I'm going to be featuring 3 of my favorite mascaras. 2 of them are drugstores and one of them is M.A.C. So, I mean, it's affordable for those who, watch my videos and don't have a lot of money. Most of my viewers are young girls, so I don't want to be pulling out a Chanel mascara and be like, hey, here's a $50 mascara. Go buy this now. No, I'm very considerate and I want to, have a reasonable product for you guys. So I'll be featuring 3 of my favorite mascaras that I really love. I'll be trying them on, zoomed in for you guys to see. As you can tell, my eyes are like really irritated by like wiping them off and like applying them on again. And I was watching the Titanic, so I don't know if this is like a good idea to do this video, but I like bawled my eyes out. That's why my eyes are like red. I like seriously like cried a damn river and my eyes are like all bruised and I don't know, I was crying. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Tell me what you guys think at the end of the video. Do you guys like these mascaras on me? And I do give good opinions on these kind of products, and I want to help people. That's kind of like my main mission in my videos is, to discover and to help and to share with you guys. Nothing more than that, and spread the love. But yeah. Alright, so the first mascara that I'm going to share with you guys is by Rimmel London. It is the Lash Accelerator mascara with Lash Growth Complex. And I don't know about the complex thing, but this is my favorite drugstore mascara. This is what the brush looks like. It's very separated. I just feel like it's less clumpy this way, but it looks really nice. And the reason why I like this mascara is because it doesn't weigh your lashes down like most mascaras. This actually just helps lift and just makes it look really long and separated. So it's not weighing it down one bit. It's actually just, uh-oh, I just made a mess. And when you guys make a mess with mascara, make sure you don't wipe it off right away because that's gonna smear all over the place. What you wanna do is you wanna let it dry and then just flick it off after when you're done your application. Just to give you guys a sample of what it looks like and the big difference it does already. I mean, this is only the first coat. I don't think I'll be getting into the second coat just because I have a lot of mascaras to show you guys. But there's a huge difference and I'm in love with this mascara and I think you guys should be too. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on the bottom of my lashes as well. I really recommend this mascara for everyone. It's called Rimmel London Lash Accelerator. As you can see, you can tell by the difference already in how it looks. Bam. I think I kind of have it off. I scrubbed the hell out of my eyes, so it's like really irritated. So the next mascara is also another drugstore mascara, and this is my second favorite drugstore mascara. It's called Grow Luscious Plumping by Revlon, and it looks like this guy. It's a green tube, it's silver, it's huge. So this is what the applicator looks like. In comparison, this was the first one, my favorite, and this is the second one. So you can see what a big difference it is. This brush is definitely much bigger and thicker. So, ooh, that sounds sexual. All right, so I'm just gonna apply it on my bottom lashes for now while we wait for the top one. The difference between this one and the first mascara is this one kind of separates them even more and actually applies more product on the lashes. They become really thick and really separated. So it doesn't give you that natural look. It's just gonna give you that like intense, crazy, oh my god, lashes. If you want like that thin, natural lashes, this one isn't for you because this one is crazy. Like it's gonna make your lashes super thick and just super bold. So, all right, so as you can see, this mascara doesn't really give you length, but it does give you thickness. So if you already have long lashes, but you want your lashes to be thicker, hello, this one is for you. All right, so last but not least, this is my third favorite mascara. Well, I would say this is my favorite non-drugstore mascara. It's the M.A.C False Lashes. It's $22 and the packaging comes like this. It's very classy. I really like the packaging. Super adorable. And it comes only one color. It comes in the false black. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like. I mean, it's definitely really small, and as you can tell, the product is just scattered everywhere. So this is gonna help make your lashes thicker while making it look longer, and that's what I like about it. It gives you that false effect, hence the name of the product. So in comparison of the three brushes that I just showed you guys, this is the first one, second, and third. I mean, the middle one is definitely the biggest. It towers both of the mascara wands. But, you know, I feel like this is like in between of these two. It just kind of creates that. You guys know what I mean. All right, so if you have the same problem as me, you know, I have small lashes and small eyes. So, I mean, it's harder to get into the harder reach areas with a giant mascara wand. So that's another reason why I like this. I mean, it's most common in Asians that they have like smaller eyelashes and thinner ones. So I would recommend this if you have the small lashes, just because it just gets right into the inner part of the eye and it's not just too thick, so you can't really get it on. Oh, here's the final product of the M.A.C False Lashes. It definitely gives you some volume up on top and also on bottom. I mean, this is the first coat, so it's definitely buildable. All right, so I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I checked these mascaras out. I love them, I love them, I love them. But my next video is going to be on my update about the whole robbery situation, drama-rama. I got one of my purses back, so you might want to listen to the story and how I got it back. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Adios, amigos.